Today on LD3D Open Box Series, Alien 3D Filaments by IC3D, full UFO kit.
And this monthly subscription comes with kind of a twist. So let's just get into this box and let's see what all they have in this one. So this is their anniversary box. So this is July. And July is their anniversary month. So I'm really excited that this is our first month to get the Alienware. So it's kind of like starting out fresh with them, which is really cool. So let's get into this box here and see exactly what they have in here for us. So I'm really excited about this. Wow, there's already some great colors. So first thing right out of the gate is a little note from the maker. His name is Josh, and he just talks about how this is the anniversary box, and he just wants to appreciate all of his contributors, and we appreciate him for staying with this box for so long. It's really awesome. And every month, from what I understand, you get a new different decal on the box and things, so they can be collector's items. Those are really fun. Gives us his website, which is www.alien3d.us. And that's the website where you can go, but I'll have it down in the links below as well. So, first out of the gate is their trademark Alien Ooze PLA. And this is a 210C to 225C, and they want the bed temperature between 0 and 60 degrees. And it just has a little cable tie on there to keep it nice and neat. That's kind of nice that they take that extra time. And I think this is going to be great. This is going to be one of our first prints that we do out of this kit because I have been wanting to try this color. So this one is made by IC3D, by the way. So really great there. So this one is made by Hello 3D. I don't know that much about this company. The color is kind of a bubblegum red. So that is really cool. They call it a red to white, so I'm not sure. Oh, this is a temperature changing PLA. Wow, this could be cool. So we'll have to do some testing with this. But right now the extrusion temperature is 190C to 220C, and the bed temperature needs to be 0 to 60C for this one. It is a PLA as well, made by Hello 3D. That's a really cool filament. So we've got a 15% off for Micro Swiss, and I can't show you that promo code because you'll have to get your own box for that. This right here is, this is an anniversary special for 15% off of Wham Bam. So this is really great. So I'm sure if you go on, subscribe to the box this month, ask them if you can get the promo code for a Wham Bam bed. Hey, why not? Wham Bams are amazing. I love my Wham Bam. You can see my video for installing the Wham Bam right up here at the top. Pretty cool. And then, this is popping candy, so it's an icy popping candy. That's kind of cool, a little different than the gummy bear. So I like that. And then we have some Filament 1 filament, and this is their Pro Select Traffic White, it says. The extrusion temperature is 195C to 225C. And the bed temperature is 0 to 60 degrees. So that's a nice sample of really a nice clean white. It looks like a matte finish. And then this one here is, Daffodil Yellow, made by 3D Fuel. So I've wanted to try this color. This is a really pretty color. And the extrusion temperature is 190 to 220C, and a bed temperature of 0 to 60C. So that is a really cool sample there. And then we have a Micro Swiss sticker, so that's going to have to go on the wall as well. So Micro Swiss is amazing. If you haven't tried their nozzles, they have some really, really great nozzles. And then this right here is their comic book edition. So inside of here, they just have some comics and other things inside, which is really great. Some wonderful artistic ability here. Great graphics. I haven't read the storyline because this is our first box. So you also get this Build Tack, Build Bed kind of coating sticker which is really kind of cool. Unfortunately, it won't fit on the CR10S Pro. It's a little small, but that might be a great thing to just use. That's kind of cool. It's a great sticker. So that's cool. Oh, and this is what makes this kit so different from everybody else's out there, and the whole reason why I subscribed to this in the first place. It's their kit. So you get this little circuit kit and all these other little devices kits in this every month for kind of a community build project. So everybody builds this project, and then they all post their photos, and it's a great community thing. I don't know what this month's is. I haven't looked it up online, but it says that in the card here that you need to look it up online and get your build tutorials and everything. And I haven't done that for this month because I just got this box. But this is really cool. So this is everything that comes inside of the Alienware box. And to be quite honest, this is a really cool box. This would be great for any type of hobbyist or family, you know. It could be something where this is what you do for that one night a month where you get this kit and you all build this together. Go through the designs and put it all together and make it a family experience. 3D printing should be part of your family, not just something kept in the back doomy corner of some workshop somewhere. Make it the focal point. Make it something that everybody can design. And with kits like this, it makes it really easy. So I just have to say a big thank you to Alien 3D for exactly that. It is an amazing little kit. It's a great starter kit, and it's priced that anybody can afford it every month. So with that being said, thank you very much for joining us, and happy 3D printing. Bye for now.